Hey everyone, so my cat has been sleeping weirdly. So yeah, I'm heading out to Quick Trip to do my 7th cosplay in public. I think I'll get in Arizona. I'm not sure yet. But yeah, let's go. And this time I'm Blizzard. Yeah, I'm Blizzard this time. And I'm going to Quick Trip as Blizzard. I'm going to Quick Trip as Blizzard. Yeah, she has wings. That haven't stopped me before. That haven't stopped me before. Oh my god, my wings. That haven't stopped me before. So why would it stop me now? Alright, so I'll see you once I hit Mason Street. I'm definitely gonna get weird looks when I hit Mason Street, but I don't care. Did I even care when I was other characters? No, I did not even care. I did not care what other people in having cars had to think about me. So yeah, I'll see you again once I hit Mason Street. Alright, we just about hit Mason Street, so I love this character because, well, duh, she has wings. Well, duh, she has wings. Oh, someone honked at me! Oh, somebody honked at me! Thank you for the honk, though. So I'm basically the local cosplayer in this part of Green Bay. Yeah, I'm just heading to now. I think, yeah, I'll get in Arizona. That's what I have enough for. I was gonna hopefully get an orange juice, but just fought against it. Oh my god, my wings! I have a wing! Hair, get out of my face, please. Alright. Let's fly! Let's fly! I'm basically flying across that street. Wait, let me get the... Got it, okay. There we go. I got the thumbnail. Hair, you stay there. Alright. We are at Quick Trip, so I'll see you when I'm walking in. Alright, so we are just walking up to Quick Trip now. Alright. So we're just walking in. After you? After you?
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh my god. Alright, we're at Quick Trip now. How much was it? The large ones? $2.99? Yeah, I don't have enough. But I have enough for a large strawberry milk. I'll get that. Alright, we got our items, so now we're heading to check out. Alright, I'll see you when I'm checking out. They loved it! They loved her! Wait. There we go. That would be a better thumbnail. Actually, inside Quick Trip, not outside of it. I don't really care if I'm getting strange looks. At least Quick Trip loves it. Loves my character I bring to their store. At least they love all of my characters that I bring to the store. Yeah, they love her. They love her. Yeah. I'm Raven Queen Blizzard Wind. Imagine if I just walked right into that pole. Just imagine if I walked right into that pole. Just imagine if I walked straight into that pole. I'm losing it. So yeah, I got a strawberry milk. Sorry about that. Sorry. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Oh my god. That bus was starting to move and I was like, okay. Okay, I better start running across. So I wouldn't get hit. So okay, thank you for the honk. Okay, thank you for the honk. But anyway, one other thing, I almost got hit by a bus. But luckily, my legs are not obstructed, so I can just run. So, yeah. Oh my god, I almost got hit by a bus. But I'm okay. Alright, I'll see you when I get inside. And on the camera. Why am I just giggling? Alright, yeah, I'll see you when I get inside. Alright, we're getting closer to the house. But I don't want to tell you where I live, but I live in Green Bay, Wisconsin. That's all I'm telling you. That's all I'm telling you. Okay, so, yeah. I'm heading home now. I'll see you inside. Alright, I'm home. And I got my... Let me turn it around. And I got my strawberry milk. They loved her. They loved her. Along with her sister. Why wouldn't they not love her? I was Glacier yesterday. I'm Blizzard today.
You can't be young forever, but you can be useful forever. Growing up is a self-renaissance. Each passing year, I become more who I was all along. Like a fairy tale. Doesn't really. It should.
Okay, that...
Contrary to popular belief,
Alright, so... That was...
Collect as you dream while your love is a diary. Tell a beautiful story. The God's favorite form.
That was...
Entertaining to watch. Splendid.
surprisingly
Enjoy
good.
my show. Tie it
Well,
up.
for my 7th time doing a cosplay in public video. So, yeah, I really did mind the honking that I got. As I was honking to and from Quick Trip.
Now is the time to double down when you believe in something.
And yeah, so I'm gonna end the video here. So I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. I'll see you in the next video. Blizzard out.